Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub account, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for a GitHub account, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.github.com and press enter. Once the GitHub homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. Once you've entered your password, click on Continue again. GitHub will then prompt you to choose a username. Select a unique username that reflects you or your work. After choosing your username, click Continue. Now, you may be asked to complete a short verification. Follow the instructions to verify that you are not a robot. This usually involves solving a CAPTCHA challenge. Once verified, you will be taken to the next step in registration. You may also be asked how you plan to use GitHub. Select the options that best describe your use case. After that, you will be prompted to choose a plan. GitHub offers free and paid plans. Choose one that suits your needs. After making a selection, click Continue. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. When satisfied, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from GitHub. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation message. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the GitHub homepage. You can now log in using your chosen username or email and password. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for a GitHub account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.